Hello friends, so I have more than 4 YouTube channels that I manage up to now. There are this YouTube channel that I created last week, and as we speak right now, this YouTube channel, it has more than 100 subscribers. It can seem not a lot of subscribers and it's very easy to get 100 subscribers, but if you have experience, for a new channel to get at least one subscriber for the first time is really hard. It's really hard to convince people to go ahead and subscribe to a completely new channel. So it's really not easy to get subscribers on a new channel, but I managed to have more than 100 subscribers in a very short time. I think it was within 4 days I already had subscribers. And if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, I think this video is for you. This video is for anyone who is struggling to get subscribers, who is struggling to get views. I'm talking about all these small channels. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the mistake that keep small creators stuck to get a lot of views, to get a lot of subscribers. And I'm going to tell you this method that can help you fix this problem that is keeping you stuck to get a lot of views but also to get enough subscribers. I have been on YouTube for more than 7 years, and as you can see, this is my YouTube track. I have this YouTube channel that it has more than 500,000 subscribers and it's doing very amazing. So I really understand if I'm going to tell you that if this video is going to help you, it's really going to help you. So right now, let's dive in and see what keeps this small YouTube channel stuck. So let's dive in. Alright, so this is the biggest mistake that small creators are doing on YouTube. If you just started YouTube, or if you've been on YouTube but you're not doing this, I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and download this application, which is called YouTube Studio. This application is going to help you to see how your videos are performing. You need to download this application, and every time that you post your video, you need to go back to this application and see how your video is performing. Like, the good thing about this application is going to show you this, your audience retention. If views are coming to see your videos, and how long are they going to stay to watch your video. This is very important. And after noticing, like, okay, I posted this video and not a lot of people, they stayed to watch this video till the end. So next video is going to be very easy for you to prepare well your hook and to make sure that this audience retention is going to be in a good line. People are going to watch your video until the end, and you cannot see this if you're not watching your YouTube analytics. So it's very important to watch every single video analytics, and every time that you post your video, you just get back to your video and see how your video is performing. So this is very important as a new creator to understand. So another big mistake that small YouTubers are making is that they only focus on money. The reason that a lot of us doing YouTube is that because we have seen our friends are doing YouTube and they're making a lot of money, so they inspired us, they motivated us to make sure that we also start YouTube. But it's really not good if you go ahead and start YouTube because of money, because YouTube game is always going to take some time. It can take 6 months, it can take 2 years or few years of you to start making money on YouTube. So if you're going to start YouTube because of money, you're obviously gonna burn out. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's really gonna be hard for you. And sometimes if you're working really hard and you're not getting a lot of views, you're not getting even subscribers, you can feel you want to give up. So if you start YouTube because of passion, I think it's going to be very interesting, because you're going to keep doing it. You're going to keep posting regardless. If you get few views, you are going to keep showing up on YouTube, and at the end of the time, YouTube is going to bless you. You're going to find luck on YouTube. You're going to start making money because you are doing it with passion and not because of money. So if you started YouTube because of money, this is really not a good thing, and it's always going to make you feel burnout. It's always going to make you feel tired. So you're not going to make it. Stop thinking about money. Keep working hard and keep showing up. So this is the biggest mistake. This is another mistake that small creators they make, is that they're giving up so early. Most of people who start YouTube after posting at least 10 videos, they give up, or 20 videos, they give up and they cannot keep going because they were expecting like to get a lot of views, at least 100 views. But just so you know that your first videos are not going to get any view. Your first 20 videos are not going to get views. So before starting YouTube, you need to have this mindset that I'm gonna post anyway. If I'm getting views, is okay. If I'm not going to get views, is also okay for me. But I will never stop because I'm not getting views. So the reason that a lot of people are giving up is that they're not getting a lot of views as they expected before starting YouTube, I think. And in order for you to not give up, you need to stop thinking about views. You need to take YouTube as a place that you learn and you enjoy to do what you do and all that, and stop thinking about views, stop thinking about subscribers. And I was watching this podcast from Mr. Beast. He said that first 100 videos on YouTube, don't expect anything, don't expect about views and all that. You need to take these first 100 videos on YouTube as a way to learn to edit, as a way to learn to communicate, as a way to be confident on the camera and all that. But do not think about views and do not think about fast money and all that, because if you're thinking about that, it will be so easy for you to give up and all that. So right now, let's go to the next one. Posting random topics. A lot of small creators, they don't know which topics they're posting on their YouTube channel. Let's say that today you're posting about cooking and tomorrow you're posting about technology, and the next day you are showing us your family subscribe you because of the video that you're posting. So let's say that today you're posting about your family and this person interested about this topic that you posted today, but tomorrow you're going to post about technology, and this person that subscribed to you the other day is no longer interested in this topic that you're posting today. So it's very important to be specific on which niche, on which topics that you want to be posting on your YouTube channel, and this can help your channel to build trusted audience, but also to build the people that are going to be there for you every time that you post these topics related to the reason that they subscribe to you. So you need to be specific on which topics that you want to post as a small creator. Ignoring titles and thumbnails. So let's say that you have created this best video, and you think that this video, if I post on YouTube, is going to be viral, everyone is going to love this video and all that. But if you make one mistake, this video is not going anywhere and you're going to feel disappointed because you didn't have the perfect thumbnail. So I always say that before posting any video on your YouTube channel, just make sure that you have at least 2 thumbnails already designed. So if this video is not going to perform well, you need to change the thumbnail to the next one. You can have at least 3 or 4 thumbnails and you can change them. It just depends on how your video is performing. So you need to have the best thumbnail that you just have to make sure that anyone who is going on YouTube and see these thumbnails on their screen, they have to click this video. They have to make sure that they click this video. So this is very important, and if you are following this method, you are really going to be in a very good space as a small YouTuber. And the last one is copying and being in a competition with big YouTubers, and this is the biggest problem. A lot of small creators, they want to compete with these big YouTubers. They want to relate their numbers. Like if this person that is big on YouTube is getting 100k views, they also try to relate their numbers to them. So this is very, very, very bad, because you're gonna feel so disappointed because your video is not gonna get a lot of views. And the reason that you're not going to get a lot of views because you're just new on YouTube. People, they don't know who you really are. So it's really dangerous to compare your channel numbers to these big creators numbers. And I didn't want to say that. If you are just gonna do YouTube without competition, if you're just gonna do YouTube as a source of learning, and if you are just gonna do YouTube to make sure that you design good thumbnails and all that, trust me, your YouTube is gonna get somewhere. your YouTube is gonna be a big YouTube. You just don't have to do this for money, you just do this for passion, man. If you are going to do this for passion, it's pretty obviously that you're not gonna feel burnout and all that. So how to fix all these problems and mistakes that these small YouTubers are facing right now, that you need to choose one topic, one niche that you will be talking about on your channel, but also you need to focus on designing the best thumbnail before posting this video. You need to ask for yourself, like, if I'm posting this thumbnail and if I was the one who see type of videos on YouTube, would I click just after seeing these thumbnails? But also you need to upload consistently. This is very, very important. Even if you're not getting viewers, even if you're not getting subscribers, you need to show up, you need to post consistently, like every single week or every single day. And if you do that, YouTube is going to notice you and your videos will be recommended to different places around the world. But also you need to learn from analytics. It's very, very important. Every time that you post a video, you need to go back and check these analytics and see how your videos is performing, where to improve. This is very important to know where to improve. Like, is my video very engaging, is my video interesting, so that people are watching this in a longer way and all that. So this is very important. If you have YouTube channel with less than 10,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, I think this video is going to be really, really helpful for you. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time.